welcome back to Cade's Cows. If you're new here, today we are at the 2020 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're gonna go do some stuff here today. I don't know what yet, but we'll bring you guys along. We are in line to meet farmhand Mike. But I could till up 20 acres pretty quick with this. Pretty sweet tedder here. Looks like you have 4 basket. Here's a round baler by New Holland. Looks like it's got the choppers up in there to chop the forage up. We are up in a T6 180. I like their control here. I don't know what a lot of these buttons do because we don't have this big of a tractor. But I'm assuming this is your loader, this is your range, and then your throttle's down here. PTO. It's got pretty good visibility. I like it. They got a disc spine, and then they got a baler behind it. We're in a Case 340 Magnum. We're at John Deere now, and let's check out some John Deere's products. Here's a John Deere 6120M. So this 6120M. This tractor is 120 horsepower. Here's your loader. And then your, I don't know what that is, maybe 3-point throttle. So yeah, pretty sweet. Wondering what are some specs on this baler?
So with us today, here with us today, we've got the 450M baler.
Okay.
So this is our 4-foot wide bale by 5-foot max diameter.
Okay.
You'll notice it's got our regular pickup on it, but we're going to use this for multiple types of crops to roll that up into a nice round bale. A lot of our balers, right? These balers have been around for several years,
Right.
Cade, and you've noticed our design has kind of evolved.
Yep.
One of the things we're very proud of on our balers is the simplicity of them.
Yep.
You'll notice on other competitive lines you might see very complex hydraulic systems, chain drive systems.
Yes.
But we really like this one for ease of maintenance.
Yeah.
If you look at the chain drive systems and the hydraulics on it,
It's very laid out, straightforward.
right. So that's going to allow our operators to have the reliability that they're looking for. And then with the options that we've got available on these machines, they can equip that for whatever they're looking for. So
Okay.
if you've got dairy cattle, beef cattle operations, where I'm rolling up these crops, the grasses, the alfalfas, to feed to my cattle, they're going to be able to do with it what they need, right? So Deere's kind of listen to what have they been asking for. Deere's got the only 5-foot pre-cutter on the market. So if you're not familiar with what a pre-cutter does, that as the crop is coming into the chamber to be rolled up, they're going to take, that hay is going to be processed and cut into little pieces, right? Just about as wide as that cow's mouth, so she can eat it better, get it into the rumen, and digest that very easily.
Awesome.
Appreciate you stopping by today. And if anybody's got any questions, please stop by your local John Deere dealership or go to Deere.com.
Awesome. Thank you. right, I am here with.
Mike Everson.
All right, so we are standing in front of one of your hay binds. What model is this?
This model is 3151. This is a GMD, which is a disc mower only, no conditioning.
Okay, okay. What is the advantage or disadvantage of not having a conditioning?
In some areas of the country where the real dry weather, you don't need to condition it. It'll dry out laying there on the ground. We also see some of our large dairies now that are running some real high moisture bunks. So they're running 68, 67% bunks, and they're finding that they're a lower cost machine, less moving parts. They can get more hay done in a day. So
awesome.
GMDs have started to creep in even to the dairy industry.
Okay. What are some of your key features on this?
A couple of the things that really sets Kuhn apart with our disc mowers is the new Elite cutter bar. We have more overlap with the blades, and we get a little better cutting at higher speeds because of that overlap. Our gear-to-gear design is very durable. It has a protection system called Protected Drive that protects the cutter bar.
Very good.
In case you run into something heavy, large, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Another key for Kuhn is the thickness of our cutter bar. Very thin cutter bar, lays very flat on the ground to cut close to the ground, so we're not dragging, picking up debris, rocks, that kind of thing.
Yeah, yep. Awesome, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Well, y'all, I'm in a Branson here, and checking these tractors out. I've never seen them. Looks like they got a power reverser. I kind of like their loader joystick. And your PTO. And then you got your range selector here. One thing I really like is the latch on this Branson. It's really quite amazing. I'll show you guys. This is an awesome trailer.
I never have anything else with my name. Come here, you and Daddy.
Alrighty. Top in this. So, never been in one of these. They got a foot pedal on the floor down there, and then their controls really sweet. They have nice buttons on the bottom for your other attachments. And I think the button over here is for your teleskid boom. They have radio, heat. I can see why somebody would like this. It's a nice machine. Throttle's up here. I like it. Oh boy. Here's a Vermeer hay rake. I don't know much about it, but it's got the four wheels, two in the center. I'm getting into hay this summer, possibly, as you guys know, so this would be a pretty sweet machine to have. So I'm looking at all that stuff while I'm here. Bunch of Yetter products. Here's the really modern New Holland tractor. It's a nice skid loader. Big ol' hay grinder. Grind your hay bale right up into feed. Throw it in your TMR. Your finger. Big old rock picker upper. Sold. Never seen one of these, but this machine here will take all your rocks and put them into a windrow. It's like a big screw. Puts them all to one side, and then you can go pick them up with that over there. Case IH planter. Don't know how many rows this is, but it's a lot. This is the Drago head.
What's that? Any Silver Bullet fans out there?
Leaving the room. Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa, for a great weekend. Awesome, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I had a blast down there. Thanks to you guys for watching my videos, as you were one of the motivations to go down there, because I wanted to be able to see the equipment plus show it to you guys. So I had a blast. Thank you so much to everybody I could interview. It was awesome meeting all of you guys. Everybody at every booth was very nice, and I had a blast. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Cade's Cows.